So when is the right time to refinance your home? Well, if that's a question you're asking yourself, we've got some answers for you today. Hi guys, and welcome back to the Fairway Mid-Atlantic YouTube channel. My name is Michaela, and today we're going to be talking about when you know it's the right time to refinance your home. We're going to be talking about all the benefits of refinancing, things you should consider before you start the process, and so much more. So before we dive into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more content like this. Now, let's get into it. Now, refinancing your home could be the big answer to a lot of your big financial goals. It could mean the possibility of lowering your monthly mortgage payment, finding a lower rate, potentially cashing in on your home's equity and using it for other big financial purchases, and so much more. Refinancing is a huge decision and is something that you should make an informed decision about. So, like I said, there are many reasons that you may want to refinance your home, and there are many benefits that come with refinancing your home. One could be the possibility of finding a lower interest rate and lowering your monthly mortgage payments. Another benefit could be possibly shortening the term of your mortgage loan. It could also mean that you're able to find a new loan program that fits better with your specific situation, or even a new lender that fits exactly what you're looking for. And another big goal that you may be wanting to reach is paying off something like debt, paying for your kids' college tuition, or even doing some major home renovations. And refinancing could actually help you achieve those big financial goals. Whatever your reason is for wanting to refinance, make sure that you clearly define it before you start the process to ensure that refinancing will actually get you there. The second thing to know is that refinancing is a process. While it's not the same process as buying a home, because you don't have to go through the process of actually finding a new home and being a home buyer, it does require a similar paperwork and documentation process with your lender. First things first, you are going to have to qualify for a new loan agreement. Refinancing is essentially paying off your current mortgage and reapplying for a brand new loan, starting fresh. Now, in order to qualify, you will have to be prepared with documentation and paperwork to go through with your lender to ensure that you're qualifying for the best possible loan program for your specific situation. This includes income assets, bank statements, credit history, taxes, and more. And you'll go through all of this with your lender, and they'll let you know ahead of time what they need from you, why they need it from you, and how it will help you in this process. During the process, you will also have an appraisal on your home to determine its current value. Now, you don't need to do any major renovations to your home to make this appraisal go smoothly, but it is important to consider making sure that your home is at its best possible shape. So this could mean doing a little bit of cleanup, making minor repairs, and also maybe even boosting your curb appeal. You want your house to be at its best possible shape so your appraisal can truly translate the value of your home. Another thing that is super important when considering whether or not you should refinance is timing. Now, timing is everything with refinancing, because like we said before, when you're refinancing, you should be working to achieve a certain goal. And if the timing isn't right and you can't achieve that goal, then refinancing your home may not be the best option for you. Now, what do we mean when we say timing is everything? Well, we don't necessarily mean that you should keep your eye on the market at all hours of the day to determine when the exact best time is to refinance your home. That's not gonna work. But what we do mean is that you should have a serious conversation with your lender to make sure that they understand what your goals is and understand where the market is at and whether refinancing will actually help you reach those financial goals. Now, today's market is in an incredibly unique position, but it will not always remain this way. So if you're thinking that you might be in the perfect position to refinance, you've talked it through with your lender, but you're still on the fence, our advice to you would be to listen to your lender in what they are saying is the best possible choice for you in this moment. Waiting to refinance could mean missing out on the ability to actually achieve those financial goals that we talked about earlier. And lastly, you want to make sure that you have a clear understanding of all of your options. When you refinance your home, like I said before, you're essentially applying for a new loan on your home. This means that you have some options. You have the ability to potentially pick a new loan program secure a new rate, or even secure a new lender. To ensure that you're choosing the best possible decision for you, you're gonna wanna shop around to make sure that you're finding a lender that offers you options that are specific to your goals and needs. Ultimately, refinancing could be hugely beneficial to homeowners. If anything, you wanna make sure that you are as educated and prepared as you possibly can be. Again, make sure you clearly define why you wanna refinance, and then figure out if you have the ability to make that goal happen. Talk with your lender and have these conversations to ensure that you're making the best possible decision for you and your home and your family. If you're starting the refinancing process or want to learn more about it, make sure you head to our website at www.fairwaymidatlantic.com or contact one of our loan officers and start a conversation about the process. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another video from us, and give this video a thumbs up if this is the kind of content that you want to keep seeing from us. We would love to hear from you. Thanks so much again, and we'll see you next week.